Guys, I gotta show you a chest. Look at it here. Black furniture, well, at least half of Chinese people aren't fans. But this custom-made Nigel cabinet is a total game changer. Thanks to its black wood grain paint, you can clearly see the natural texture of the wood and the touch, surprisingly warm and gentle. The moment you lay eyes on it, you can't help but fall for it. Pull open a drawer and there is a light color inside. It's like catching a glimpse of a warm heart hidden beneath that dark exterior. Truly charming. And here's the sweet part. Give the drawer a gentle push and it glides back slowly on its own, like a thoughtful little helper in your daily life, making you feel totally at ease. I'm Leo. See you next time.